Cocina. We just opened about 1.5 weeks ago. This is our second company. We are fully on the way. We have A&A Eventos and now A&A Cocina. As you see, we're ready to go. Full power. You know, this is like a lot of hard work, dedication, working 7 days, brand new equipment, brand new everything. We're here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna keep you on point with videos to see the progress of A&A Cocina. We're in East Commercial Boulevard. We used to cover this whole space, and you know, I basically work 7 days to push this business. And A&A Eventos, which is like main company, we're doing about 15 events a month. This A&A Cocina is a dream come true. For the past 2 years, we've been thinking about it, planning about it, and now it's here. We took over this location, and we about to open about 49 to 50 more in the next like 15 years. So please watch for more videos and keep checking us out here on YouTube. And I'm gonna take you through the trajectory and what we do. It's a blessing, and I hope this provides some value to others trying to do something in the restaurant industry or food and beverage and anything related with. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.